Hey guys, this is Audrey.
I'm Adrian.
And we're here to tell you about your SEVIS validation. So in this scenario, Adrian is going to be the student and I'm going to be CHI. Here we go. So, hey, have you filled out your validation yet?
No.
What? I mean, you're supposed to do this within 72 hours of arrival.
Oh, really? I mean, I saw there was like an email, but I didn't actually read it, Let me check it out.
Okay.
It's asking me for my address. Should I put like my permanent address? I don't know it yet. How should I do?
Okay, so if you're just staying at a temporary address right now, just fill that in so that we can validate you as soon as possible. That's very important. And then as soon as you move into your permanent housing, you can just log into the system again and update it.
Oh, that's great, thanks. And what's this thing asking me like if I should input residential or commercial for my housing?
Okay, so residential is an apartment or a house, and a commercial means when you're staying in a hotel or a motel or a hostel.
Okay, so it's gonna be residential.
Perfect.
Okay, I've done it, so now what?
So now we wait until CHI approves. If you get an email that your validation was rejected, sometimes CHI just has a few questions. Just send them an email and clarify, whatever questions they have, and then hopefully soon you will be fully validated.
Okay, thank you. Now it's asking me for my first evaluation. So
Right. So every month you have to fill in your monthly evaluation, and this is your first one. So what are the questions again?
did I arrive in the US safely?
Okay.
Yes. Thankfully. And are you working at your prearranged job? What was that?
So a prearranged job is the job that was on your job offer. And usually you can even say yes, even if you start work tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or next week. But if you are planning to go to the job that is on your job offer, then please say yes.
Oh, okay, thanks. How many people do you share your room with?
Right, that's actually a good question because how many people actually sleep in your bedroom? Okay, so not in your house or in your apartment, but in your room.
Okay, so it's not 10 people.
No, it's usually, a little less, hopefully.
Okay, well, thank you. That was
no
great.
problem. Okay, so, don't forget to always reply to emails from CHI and to fill in your monthly reports every month.
Thank you. I think I will see you again when I'll do my next monthly evaluation.
Sure. Okay, good luck and have a wonderful stay in the US. Bye! That was our video, and good luck. If you have any questions, call us, send us an email, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a good summer!
Yay.